Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ivano Amayuda from 5BD. I want to be explanation or presentation about type of variables. Type of variables has a two group of variable that we need to know about that, like a categorical and continuous variables. Use the word group of variables because both categorical and continuous include additional type of variables. However, there can be some ambiguities when deciding uh, whether a variable is a categorical and continuous. Okay, I want to discuss about uh, two groups of variables. For the first is categorical variables. Categorical variables uh, are also known as qualitative or called discrete variables. Categorical variables contain a finite number of categories or distinct groups and might not have a logical order. For example, categorical predictors include gender, material type, and payment method. These categories are the description that give a variable that help to explain how variables shall be measured, manipulated, and controlled. For following example, like career choice of university student. Uh, we call as university student a number of close questions related to their career choice. For example, first, what is your planned occupation? Second, what is the most important factor in influencing your career choice? For the first question, it use of a categories, and second question is use of a level. For example, question 1, what is your planned occupation? Depending variable with a categories for answer like architect, attorney, biochemist, engineer, dentist, doctor, and so on. For a question 2, on a scale of 1 to 5, how important are the following factors in influencing your career choice? Choice 1, least important. Choice 5, most important, depending variable with level. For a career prospect, like a nature of the work, physical working condition, salary and benefit, and each other. For a second is a continuous variable. Continuous variable are also known as a quantitative, or for definition of continuous variable are a numeric variable that have are a numeric variable that have an infinite number of values between any two values. Continuous variable can be numeric or date and time. For example, like the length of part or or the date and the date and time a payment is received. Uh, each type of continuous variable, like interval and ratio, has a numeric properties. These numerical properties are the values by which a continuous variable can be measured, manipulated, and controlled. I illustrate the two types of continuous variables, like interval and ratio. For interval for the interval ratio have a numerical values and can be measured along a continuum. Some example of interval variable are like that temperature, which mean measure in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. For explanation, the difference between 20 Celsius and 30 Celsius is the same as a 30 Celsius to 40 Celsius. For a ratio variable, ratio variable are interval variable that meet an additional condition, a measurement value of 0. Some example of rational values are like that. For example, for a rational variable like a temperature measured in Kelvin. For explanation, 0 Kelvin, often called absolute zero, indicate that there is no temperature whatever. A temperature of 10 Kelvin is 4 times the temperature of 2.5 Kelvin. Okay, I think that's all for presentation. Sorry for my mistaken. If you don't understand for explanation, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoy that. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.